Another method of multiplication, crisscross method. Now see, 23 multiply with 25. Firstly multiply 5 with 3, 15. Then 2 with 2, 4. Now next step, cross multiply. 2 multiply 5, 10. Plus 2 multiply 3, 6. 10 plus 6, we will write 16 in between. Now the last step, ये 2 डिजिट में है तो इसका 1 आगे कैरी होगा. Similarly, this one also add to next part. Final answer 5, 6 1 7 and 4 1 5.